it's Chantel with Wildberry Quilting, and this is the update for week number 3 of the Spooky and Sweet Stitch Along. So, this is it, guys. It is so cute. Look at it. I am not sure what my favorite part is, but I think this has definitely been my favorite week of release. I just like getting to stitch all of these tiny pieces of candy and the little quilt block looking pieces. I really enjoy that part. All right, so here's mine. Now, I think my favorite one is gotta be this little piece of candy corn. I do not actually like the taste of candy corn at all. Ugh. But it is adorable, and I really love it in this green color. I think it's so cute. Although I did really enjoy this one and both of these as well. So, and I liked that. Okay, I liked all of it. It was just the most fun part of it so far. Well, I also really liked doing the border. And he was fun too. I don't know. Just this whole thing has been a lot of fun. I've enjoyed every single release week. All of them have been fantastic. Now, I will say that my lollipop, that green, let's see, it was supposed to be bean sprout. My bean sprout looks significantly darker than the bean sprout that they used, with a lot less variegation to the thread as well. It was very uniform in color, and it was very dark for mine. But it's still cute. I still like it. All right, guys. So my microphone just went, it gave up the ghost. It, ran out of juice. And apparently when it does that, I have discovered that it makes a really loud buzzing sound. And it just gradually gets louder and louder and louder and louder until then there's nothing and it's just silence. So I'm sorry about that. I'm going to go ahead and finish the video here since I don't remember where I was at when it did that. But thank you for joining me today. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Make sure you check out Fat Quarter Shop. This is a free stitch along that they are hosting. And, it's been a ton of fun. There's still time to catch up. I know we're on week 3, but all of this stitches quickly. And to be honest, you can do this anytime between now and Halloween and you'll still have it. And it'll be a lot of fun. Enough rambling. Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I will see you guys again next time. Bye.